What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, what we're going to be going over is everything that you need to know about Safemoon.
Is it real? 'Cause you're all about.
So to kick things off, Safemoon is an altcoin in the crypto space. What's an altcoin? An altcoin is basically anything that's not Bitcoin. For a quick comparison, Safemoon is most related to Doge, simply because Safemoon is seen as a meme coin inside the markets. The reason people believe Safemoon to be a meme coin as of right now is simply because it's looking like a pump and dump coin. There's currently a lot of speculation about Safemoon. People aren't sure whether to invest, people aren't sure whether to stay out of it. So I want to make this video kind of breaking down everything that you need to know as far as Safemoon, if you should get inside, and my personal opinions. Now for the information that you guys really care about. Safemoon originally launched in March 2021. One of the most unique features about Safemoon is that it has a 10% fee to anybody that sells the Safemoon token. And inside that 10% fee, what Safemoon is actually doing is redistributing 5% of that back to any holders of Safemoon. What this essentially does is it rewards long-term holders of Safemoon. Now, by rewarding people for holding inside of these tokens, it prompts people to stay longer than they originally had intent. Like I said at the start of this video, Safemoon is seen to be a pump and dump coin, but by rewarding people the 5% fee for staying inside this token, it prompts people to really stay and look at the long-term value of Safemoon, which to the average person eliminates that pump and dump idea in this token. By instilling this system, they're putting the idea of a long-term hold and never selling this token. This is actually a very strategic part on Safemoon's end, because again, this was seen originally as a pump and dump token. A lot of people were talking about it on TikTok. A lot of people were going crazy saying to buy Safemoon, but now that people are in, this kind of locks people to hold the token whether you want to or not. And that really begs the question, should you buy into Safemoon as a long-term position, especially with a system like this in place? There's no other token in the market that implemented a system like this other than Safemoon. Bitcoin doesn't have it, Ethereum, ADA, VET, no other coin has done this. Also, Safemoon recently got listed on Gate.io, ZBG, and by getting listed on these exchanges, again, more bonus points towards Safemoon, especially if Safemoon gets listed on exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. If they get listed on those exchanges, that could really project the price of Safemoon. Alright, you guys, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to be going over the Safemoon website and kind of explaining what they're looking to implement each quarter and how Safemoon is actually bringing long-term value to the table. So this is the Safemoon website. As you guys can see, the current value of Safemoon is 0.0000004684, a very low price point, which is actually why a lot of people are really looking into this coin, because it's not even valued at 1 cent yet, and a lot of people are projecting if it does get valued at 1 cent, this coin could potentially make a shit ton of millionaires. Again, more information on this coin. There's currently 1.4 million holders of this token. Liquidity, you can see the liquidity right here, the current market cap of Safemoon, and also very important information, the amount of tokens burned. And this is very important to pay attention to as well, because the more tokens they burn, the more long-term value for this coin in the future. All right, scrolling down, getting more information, 100% community driven. So basically what they mean by this is that we decide kind of the value and what goes on with Safemoon. This is also very important, because the devs, although they do have developers, you know, backing up this coin and implementing what's going to really happen, we as a community have the power to really drive this token up, which is again why this is seen as the next Dogecoin. Dogecoin was simply powered by us, supply and demand. You know, there's power in numbers, you guys. Something that we're not used to seeing, for example, in stocks, FX, real estate market. You know, the numbers depend on external factors, you know, for example, what the company is doing, things like that. But when it comes to the crypto space and altcoins in specific, it really is just supply and demand. You know, we have the power. If we have billions and billions of buyers of this token, theoretically, then of course we can pump this token to any desired price. It's just getting enough people to believe in the future of this token, right? Which is why the crypto space is such a unique space to begin with. Next, automatic LP. Every trade contributes towards automatic generated liquidity locked inside Pancake Swap. All right, next we got the RFI static rewards. You essentially create passive income just by holding this token. So if you're holding, again, 5% gets redistributed to long-term holders or people that are still holding Safemoon token. Next, we got the roadmap. All right, very, very important. This roadmap is basically just explaining what Safemoon plans on doing after every quarter within the next year. I believe as of right now, we're in Q2 or Q3. All right, so with quarter two, the initial push, basically what they're looking to do is launch an NFT exchange, also get more integrated with the African markets and expand the Safemoon devs team, right? What I mostly care about as of right now is quarter three. So with quarter three, they're actually looking to launch their own educational app and becoming their own charity project. So if Safemoon can launch this app and bring more people to the table as far as crypto trading, crypto investing, then that can really project the future of Safemoon, because at that point, by then, in-app purchases on the educational platform could be really, really huge, and you'll probably use Safemoon tokens in order to actually buy and exchange, etc. on this app. More growth for the app equals more growth for the markets. More growth for the markets equals more value in these altcoins. So that's kind of what I'm paying attention to when I look at Safemoon as of right now. Next, we got the white papers. So again, value, holders, liquidity, market cap, and burn tokens. Very, very important. I personally believe all burns matter because the limited amount of coins creates more value long term for these tokens. All right, and if they're quarterly burning these tokens, as you guys can see, they already burned 400k plus of these tokens. It's just creating more value, especially if this coin continues to trend similar to Doge. And I realize, you know, like I said, we have power in numbers. A lot of people love to get behind these hype tokens just because they love knowing that, you know, as a group we have power to make money together. It's kind of a weird concept, but it's very, very interesting once you pay attention to it, you know, just like Dogecoin. All right, you guys, I just talked about this, the 5% redistribution to all existing holders of Safemoon. So essentially you're creating passive income just by holding Safemoon token. Like I said, the more traction that gets picked up on this coin, it really does have a lot of potential to take off. And then the 50-50 split, that's basically nothing for us to personally worry about. It's simply just a contract between BNB and Safemoon, you know, in order to exchange and actually purchase these coins. All right, and last but not least, we have the charts for Safemoon. As you guys can see, we had the peak around the 12 and 15 price point, which originally happened around April 20th to 21st, and we're currently experiencing a dip in the market. What I personally believe is happening right now with this dip is, you know, just like every other altcoin in the market, it all goes in suit with Bitcoin. So the second Bitcoin crashes, you can essentially see a lot of bag holders also sell off their positions in the altcoins because they know if Bitcoin crashes, these other altcoins are going to follow suit, and they want to lock in profits while they can. So because Safemoon was a pump and dump token, this was essentially the first pump that everyone was looking to get inside of. If you missed that pump, this video is just to break down more so the long-term side of Safemoon. I personally did not get in on this pump, but as you guys can see, the current price sitting around the 44.3 price point. It's really one of those coins that don't really bring any value to the table as far as technology, you know, like some other coins like VeChain, ADA, Ethereum. But the purpose of this video is to educate you guys and let you guys know kind of what the purpose of Safemoon is. All right, and we're back over here with the new camera angle. So is Safemoon a good investment for the long-term position? If you have some extra change lying around, you know, some money that you're not afraid to lose, if you can emotionally detach yourself from any investment, especially this one, then yes, 100% I recommend investing into Safemoon. And just to clarify, in my opinion, this looks more so like a gamble. Not sure really about the long-term investment, because once the hype dies on Safemoon, it could potentially, you know, hit zero and you can lose your money. But if you have money lying around, you can detach yourself from the investment, then 100% I recommend jumping on Safemoon. But with that being said, if you're looking for tokens with long-term value, coins I recommend, again, VET, ADA, CHZ. There's so many different altcoins out there that actually bring long-term value to the table. Safemoon, no real long-term value, more so just once you're in, they trap you with the reward system, and then you're kind of holding that position. And even just buying in general, there's so many fees, so many transfers, things like that. By the time you actually get inside, you're going to be down quite a bit simply because of those fees. It really depends on how you want to invest into the crypto markets. If you want to get in and out fast, you know, get in on a pump, Safemoon might be your best bet. But again, there's so many other altcoins in the market that bring so much more value for not the same price, but, you know, not a crazy price either. For example, ADA Cardano is currently around, I believe, $1.30 USD. VET, last time I checked, was sitting around 18 cents. So again, you guys, there's better places to put your money. And there's also so many other altcoins going around that are pump and dumps, meme coins. You guys just need to do your own research and make sure that these coins are worth investing into long term. That's That's basically everything, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like, drop a comment if you're inside of Safemoon. If not, drop a comment why. But that's basically everything, you guys. Take it easy.